Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday. It is 8:45. I slept in. It's the weekend. The sun's coming up. The birds are chirping. It's a beautiful morning. It's getting a little chilly. It's August now. Oh, no, September. What am I talking about? Time flies. And, I'm going to be cooking on my reflective fire pit that I put together. It took me about half an hour to do it. Um, I've already cooked bacon and eggs on it last night. I've been sleeping outside now for about 4 weeks. Why I've been doing this, I don't know. I just like to do it. And I'm going to start making my videos with a lot of outdoor stuff. And I haven't really put my name together yet of my YouTube channel. I've had one that I started. But let's see how I do this. Okay, I hope you liked the video. That is some of the material that I had laying around. I built it that way with the sides, a back, and a top, so that when I built the fire, nobody would be able to see that there was a fire in the area. I've built other fires while I was out camping, just like that one, to keep a low profile where no one would recognize where I'm at. I had the block laying around here, so I built that back, because you can see there's a house back there. I didn't want the neighbor to see that I had a fire, although he did tell me, I just talked to him, that he seen light, but he didn't know where it was coming from, because he couldn't see the fire, but he did see a reflective light coming from somewhere. The stainless that I put on top was something that I had laying around, which was kind of cool because I'm able to cook off of that. Normally I'd put a stone up top. So if you like this video, please smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I will post a link below of some of the things that I use to start the fire with. And I will see you next time. We'll see you next time.